Why is it that when we're on holiday, we always find it so much easier to appreciate the little things? A painting on the wall or a pretty sky, everything is new, but when we're at home, we tend to ignore these little things. We don't notice them. But what if we could enjoy the small joys on holiday and at home? If you've watched my vlogs before, you know I'm all about finding the small joys, the special moments that can pass over as mundane. But this week, I'm on holiday. Yay! I'm in the south of France in Montpellier. I've noticed that I've been so hyper aware of all the small joys, and I'm trying to really embrace that energy today and hoping it carries over into my everyday life at home. I'm so excited because I'm going on a little day trip today to this place called Saint Guilhem Le Desert, which is basically this place that Google Maps told me I can't get to. But with the help of my host family, I can get there. So I'm going to go on a little adventure today. I'm going to take you along with me to find all the small joys. Because I feel like when you're on holiday, it's so much easier to see all the small things that are so perfect and have so much beauty in them because everything's new. I'm going to really embrace that energy today and just feel all the small joys and embrace the fun travel vibes. So come with me. I actually feel like such a queen right now because I just went to Aldi, got my salad for lunch, and I paid in change. So I feel like I haven't actually spent anything because I'm just using up my euros. So that's a small win. And I managed to get the tram as soon as it was there. I had to run. The doors nearly closed on me, but I got there. And so I'm trying to help keep them open for me, which was really sweet. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go find where the bus is. But yeah, I'm excited. I feel like it's a little adventure. I managed to find where the bus stop was. It was actually really close and it was easy to find. And then I got on the bus and it was pretty empty, to be honest. So I just found my seat and I just sat back and enjoyed the journey. I read some of my book and just enjoyed all the scenery because it was so lovely and it was such a gorgeous day that it was a really nice day to travel. I got off the bus and I just made my way into the main village area, and it's an absolutely gorgeous village. There's just lots of little cobble streets with lots of flowers and little shops, and it was so gorgeous. This place is so pretty, oh my gosh. I feel like such a tourist, but it's just so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. This is so pretty. It's like a little medieval village and it's so gorgeous. I just met the nicest lady. She was running this boutique and she said bonjour. So I said bonjour. And she was we got talking and she was like, oh, when you first walked in I thought you were French. And I was like, girly, I'll take that as a compliment. So yeah, and then we just had a little conversation. There's so many really cute boutiques here and it's just, I just love it. I just love going and talking to random people and just mooching. It's so fun. I love it. I got postcards. I had an amazing day just wandering around Saint Guilhem and I found this little ice cream shop and it was very sweet and very cute, and of course I got an ice cream because it was a very hot day and I needed one. Ice cream secured. I got lavender and it's really good. I then went on a walk around Saint Guilhem and it's absolutely beautiful scenery. There was a waterfall and a stream running after it and it was just so gorgeous. And then I went to the Devil's Bridge, or Le Pont du Diable, and look how pretty this is. I couldn't get over how pretty this gorge was, and I really, really want to go kayaking there because it just looks absolutely gorgeous. I found the bus stop, and that is a small joy because I was stressing that I wasn't going to be able to find the bus and not be able to get home. So, yay, I found it. Go me. I then realised I was at the wrong bus stop, so I had to run and try and find the right bus stop, but it was fine because I got there in time, and I just chilled on the way back and had a lovely nap, and it was amazing. Hi friends, I made it home. Yay! What a win. That was a massive adventure and I really, really enjoyed it. Yeah, it was great. Thanks for coming along with me on this small joys vlog. I hope you've enjoyed seeing all the small and the big joys today, and I'm just like gonna try and embrace this energy in like my normal day-to-day life, because it's so special when you go to a new place and you just see all the new things that you've never seen before. So like, why can't we look for all those special things that already exist in like our normal lives, our everyday lives? So I'm going to try and embrace that energy when I go home, and I hope it's brought a little bit of joy to your day. If you enjoyed this video, I've done other small joy vlogs and I will link them in the description but also on the screen somewhere, and I'll see you in the next video soon.